There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices.
What's up? Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a good holiday. Wishing you all so many blessings for 2022. Wow, my face is freezing. It's like 12 degrees. I'm in Pennsylvania on the AT, headed towards Chimney Rocks. Wow, my lips are like frozen. They're so numb. Man, I've been so busy with work and just day-to-day life, and I'm so happy I'm finally on the trail. There's severe weather warnings today. It's supposed to snow, so hopefully out of here before then. I'm not trying to get stranded. So, all right, I need to pick up the pace. My lips are numb. I gotta keep hiking. So I'll catch you guys later. With me, I was recording for quite a bit and I realized that my volume was turned all the way down. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like a noob recording. Well, I'm still a noob technically, but I don't know. I guess it's been a minute, right? All right, so I guess I'll just spare your ears from bleeding hearing me talk. But yeah, we're headed towards the shelter. From like the pictures I've seen, looks pretty nice, so I'll show you guys when we get there. All right, see ya. All right, so I'm assuming that's the privy. There's a tent site as well. Group tent site. All right, cool. Pretty nice. Okay, I guess you can make a fire. Tumbling run. See, to be honest, I'm like terrified of sleeping in a shelter because of the rodents. I'm not a fan. Wow, this is pretty nice. Step. All right, so that's for non-snoring people. That's where I belong. Unless my allergies are kicking in, then I'll probably be snoring. Oh, look at the rose. That's nice. Wow, impressive. Well kept, and there's a line to like dry your stuff. I guess you can hang your food bags. So I guess the water source is that way. Oh, as you can see. And the privy. All right, and that's the shelter here. All right, let's keep walking, guys. It's freezing. My cardiovascular system is probably so confused. It's probably like, yeah, we were just on the couch. What's all this nonsense going up steep inclines on the AT? Woo! almost to Chimney Rocks. It's all been an incline. Sorry guys, I haven't really been recording much. Well, myself at least, because I've been huffing and puffing all the way up. It's pretty steep. All right, can't wait to get there. I thought I heard a bear. Oh, I'm just paranoid. Yeah, I'm paranoid, guys. I'm paranoid. Woo! Where do I go? Oh, I think that way. All right, that's all for now. I'm gonna head back to the car. I'm trying to make it home just in time for the Eagles game. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, I want to thank all the new subscribers. Thank you for showing some love. And yeah, I will catch you on the next one. Fly, Eagles, fly.